Guys, I swear, I just finished this makeup video through YouTube and I lost it. I lost it. Anyways, what are you gonna do? So I did a blue with gold. See the lashes. Got the lashes on. This one is messed up, the glue, you know, because I'm still trying to learn how to put eyelashes. So there's my makeup. I lost the video. Over an hour. Look at all my makeup all around me. And YouTube just stopped recording. This is nuts. It didn't even give me a warning. So, yeah. I used the gold glitter there. For the blue. I was just going to apply some under makeup when it just shut off on me. It shut off on me. What are you gonna do? You're not gonna freaking cry. Yesterday, my freaking phone ran out of storage towards the end of the video. Today, it just stopped recording. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put some blue under my eye. Here. You know? Right here. And if you come close, you can see that it has some golds. I can't believe I lost that video. This is the second time in a row. Yesterday was my phone. And today it was YouTube. I figured I'd use YouTube. I guess maybe I didn't know they give you a certain amount of time. I don't know. But I've seen women do makeup videos, okay? And they last 3 or more hours. So I don't know, where did the video go? No, I don't know. I don't know where the video went. I mean, I started about an hour and a half ago. And this is what I'm gonna have to post. This is not right. This is not fair. So I got some blue and gold in the bottom of my eye. Okay. And the lipstick I used was from Kat Von D. That's what the girls be doing. Yeah, so I've gotten better with makeup. I practice. I watch videos. I was saying all of that in the video that just stopped. Where did it go? To the cloud. So it just went to the cloud. So I'm just gonna start cleaning. Look, this is the gold that I used. So I had to use some primer. And look at the little brush, just the little gold. And I was just like packing it in there, you know. So this is the I used blue, 2 shades of blue, but mostly this pigmented blue from Hip. Who makes Hip? They're so old, it's erased. Anyways, what are you gonna do? You gonna cry? I'm not gonna cry. This goes under my eye. It's from L'Oreal. All the products, mostly all the products that I have are from L'Oreal. My eyebrows, I do it with a brush and pomade. Okay. My foundation was Phoera. Phoera. Be careful when you order your color. Just be careful because I had to exchange mine. I was telling in the video that I went to Sephora and got this mascara from Milk. It's Kush mascara made from CBD. CBD. Isn't that crazy? How CBD is taking over? CBD is everywhere. It's great for pain management. So that I also got this Smashbox lipstick transformer. It's Insta Matte. So what you put it on, if you have a lipstick that's not matte, it'll transform it to matte. It's awesome. Smashbox makes it. I love it. I can't believe I lost that video. Second time. Last night I did a purple and a gold. Today's blue and gold, and I totally lost it. The video just stopped. YouTube. Last night my phone ran out of storage, you know, so I was able to get a few videos. I think I'm going to put them up on YouTube because nobody's watching me anyways. And today I did it out of YouTube, and it just, after an hour and a few minutes, it stopped recording. So that's the end of it. I'm done. I was also saying how I need to master the arts of learning how to do the liner. Maybe I should do it now. Why not, right? I shake a lot, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this. Let's see. I really don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it. I gotta look again. Excuse me about that. I'm just picking up my stuff because I can't believe that happened to me. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it's butter. So let's see how this this makeup looks with my hair loose. So it's not done. Oh my God, I look like a witch. I look like a witch, but I'm a good witch. So my hair's like really long. It's like, oops. I'm knocking everything down. So I just washed it. I was in the pump the other day, and I picked it up in a bun. So it's kind of thick. It's really thick. So there's a few little waves right there. So that is it. That is all she wrote. Anyway, let's see if there's some way that I can find that video. I don't know if I can find it. I am crazy about you. I'm just kidding. I'm just crazy. I'm just crazy. I'm just crazy. Never mind me. Never mind me. So I'm going to continue practicing with makeup because I love makeup. I've been doing it since I was a young girl. And I don't know why I didn't start doing a YouTube channel. But, you know, I had kids. I had to take care of them. So now I am doing it. My kids are grown. My kids are grown. Alright, I'm going to let you guys go. I did say in the video, how do you get to Carnegie Hall? So if you want to leave me a comment and let me know how you get to Carnegie Hall, I would really appreciate it. In the meantime, I'll continue practicing. You know, practice makes better. It makes perfect. And I don't know. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.